Hi, let's see this week's portfolio performance. Right now, portfolio is worth 7.8k. Out of that, we gain $57, and the market gain it's showing $8.39. So I think this is calculated wrongly. We didn't get any dividends, $65 dividends last week. There's some calculation mistake. So the update is like Netflix subscription. We changed the slice to Netflix subscription, and because IEP reduced the dividend from $2 to $1 for the next quarter, we had to add one more share TSLY into this. So right now, this entire slice will make $10. So we need to have $15 to have that Netflix subscription per month. So I added the remaining amount to TSLY this week. Whatever I added, I think $13. It's showing only 12.62. And if you go to the activity tab, let's check the weekly ones. We repaid 9.11 on September 6 on the borrowed money. Then we received a dividend from JP 9.97. Other than that, on September 7th, we invested $26. Out of that, $13 again, we repaid the credit. Then the remaining $13 was the one we added into TSLY that was added to Netflix slice. Then we deposited another $5 that also went to our credit, borrowed money, and we received a dividend from Costco on September 8th of 11 cents. So if you see the dividend progression for Costco, so you can see like February we received 0.02 cents. Now it's 7 cents. Last time we got 7 cents. Now it's 7 cents. Now it's 11 cents. So it's increasing slowly, but it's good to see the progress. Now back to our activity. On September 8th, the 9.97 we received the dividend from JP. We invested back $5 we invested back to JP because JP we were expecting $10 monthly. Last time we received only 9.97. That's why I added extra $5 to JP, so the next time we can expect to get more than $10. And the remaining 4.97 I invested to MA or long term share. So that are the changes this week. We go to the holdings tab. I don't see any difference. Let's go to the borrowed money. So here now the amount is 1922, and if you see the liability slice, Tesla. Right now we invested 1,000 on Tesla and 1,000 on TSLY. Right now the value is 1,051 on Tesla, and TSLY it reduced 963. So we'll reinvest all the dividends from TSLY back to this slice. This is an experiment, so I guess now Tesla is winning right now. Hopefully we'll see long term, which is a better option, so we can go with that option. Let's go to the next section. TSLY, it declared the dividend. The payment date is on September 18th. Last time they paid 0.83 cents per share. Right now they reduced to 0.585. So our dividend also will decrease next week or by next 1 week after that. Let's go to our financial independent details. So our target is $5,000. Right now, dividend increased to 146.02. That's by the TSLY. We added 0.893 onto Netflix subscription. Remaining JP, we increased the share. Now we invested extra $5, and MA also it got increased. So right now we invested 7,785. The yield on cost, as per calculation, it's showing 20.15, and monthly dividend, average monthly dividend is 146.02. Annually it crossed 1500, so right now it's 1568. And the fire date, as per calculation, it is 2202 October 17th. Last week it was 2203, so we saved around 88 days. So that's a good, and that's a good thing to note down. For the past 7 days we saved 88 days for our financial independence. It's an improvement. And the fire dividend per month at that day will receive around 1 million. Fire age, so my age at that time would be 217. Last week it was showing 218, so it saved 1 year. That's it for the today.